Welcome back to Thursday Cooking with Kevin. So this week, a little bit of a Mexican flavor. So we are going to be doing chicken fajitas.
Canadian way.
Yeah. Anyway, so we have our chicken, peppers, onions, putting that to the side because that's black olives. So these are the toppings: lettuce, tomatoes, black olives, sour cream. A lot of fajitas, depending what you like. Some people do different stuff. We like to put rice in ours.
I love rice.
Southern style rice, Uncle Ben's.
With black, it's got black beans in it,
yeah,
eh?
Throw it in the microwave, and it's cooked. Sorry, cooks in the microwave. Fajita pack.
Yeah, we're going the easy way.
So this says mozzarella, but it's a mix of cheddar and mozzarella because we had some mozzarella left. We just mixed it up. And soft shells. So first thing we do is we cook the chicken with the peppers and the onions.
We're actually recording this on Monday because we're flying to Ontario on Wednesday to visit, of course, because our daughter's having a baby. But Dorothy and Len are going to take care of Brody and take care of the house. So, alright. So you put a little olive oil in there?
Yeah, a little bit of olive oil.
This is a real, just quick, dump everything in, cook it up. Nothing fancy. We're not... What are you looking for? Oh, he's putting stuff in the dishwasher. Ooh, Brody's helping. Brody, say hi. Hi. Yeah, you like to be on camera, don't ya? Yeah. Mommy said no chicken tonight, didn't I? Yeah, because you already had turkey. Right? Yeah. All right. We'll bring you back when he's got this part cooked.
Yeah, once it gets going, we'll continue.
So what do you do with that packet?
This packet?
Yeah.
Well, once everything's cooked, we add it in, add some water, and mix it up.
And that's it.
That's it.
Cool. All right. So, won't be long. Pretty yummy.
Okay. So, the chicken's done. Everything is done. So... Oh, I can put sour cream on first. I like sour cream.
Yuck.
Mm-hmm. Yummy. Yummy, 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 yummy.
And there is one thing that's missing that I know a lot of people use.
What's that?
Guacamole.
Oh, yeah, I would use guacamole if I had it.
Yeah.
Kelly doesn't like guacamole.
No.
But it's yummy. Taco sauce. And some cheese.
And that's how you make yours.
That's how I make mine.
All right. I will make mine and I will show you. All right. So I like the chicken and the peppers and onions. And I like the rice and cheese and lettuce and black olives and tomatoes. And yeah, I like Taco Bell sauce. So I have some of that. So that. Okay.
Oh, you want me to say something? Okay. So that is Cooking with Kevin on Thursday. Although this is Monday, but you're not going to see the video until Thursday. So thank you. That's a quick and easy meal.
And
Chicken fajitas.
next week.
I have no idea what I'm doing next week because we're gonna be at Brittany's. So
We'll be cooking in a different kitchen next week.
yeah.
All right.
Okay.
Have a good week.
Good night.